People always ask me, you like Fadil? Yeah, I love Fadil. I tell you, Fadil, that's something I'll never forget in my life. I flew Fadil to Cape Town, to Joburg. I paid for their tickets to say, come see me, Fadil. Fadil came. This is before NCC. And we had a political discussion with Fadil. And we agreed on many things, but we differed on one thing, me and Fadil Adams. I'll tell you what I learned from Fadil. Fadil then said to me, no, I want to stand for the colours. I said, no, you must stand for everyone. He says, but I want to stand for the colours first. Ons is lang platgedruk. You know, instead of Fadil going and attacking me every day, no. He didn't agree with me. He went to go build his own thing. And that's why I respect him. We had a difference of strategy. But Fadil went to go and do his own thing. So some of you that feels I'm not doing the right thing as the leader of the PA, follow the footsteps of Fadil, learn from Fadil. Go and do your own thing. Ons gaat mekaar meet by die polls. En ons gaat lekker saamwerk. If you don't agree with me, I can't just stand for colored people. I want to stand for everyone. Now, if you disagree with my strategy, anything I do with the Patriotic Alliance, it's okay. Doesn't make me right, doesn't make Fadil wrong. I'm not right. Fadil is not wrong. He's not right. I'm not wrong. Go. It's like a business. If I run my business and you can't interfere and you know too much as a person working for me, it's time. It's fine. You know more than your boss. It's time for you to start your own business. Excuse me. It's time for you to start your own business. So differing with people does not mean some of you are plotting against your own. Some of you are plotting against your own, but you are blocking your blessing. So the word of the day today is anointing attracts haters. Your anointing cannot be real if you don't have haters. The surest thing to know if anointing is present in a person if that person has haters. Ek is 'n gesalfde. Ek is 'n gesalfde van die Here. Jy het die een enemy, jy's niks gesalf nie.
Emveni kokuba ngifunda ama-comment kwenye ividiyo ebengiyenzile, ngasizolo ngithi ngibabonile abantu abathi ba-wrong abantu abavotela i-NCC le eholwa uFadil Adams. Ngase ngithi alikho iphutha elenziwayo labo bantu ngoba lapha eWestern Cape lapho bebaningi khona as amakhaladi baphethwe i-DA iyababandlulula ngayo yonke indlela ongasuyicabangi. Ngakho-ke uFadil Adams umele amakhaladi futhi nguyena yedwa, sho njalo, nguyena yedwa ofocuse kumakhaladi, usizi lwabo, ama-drugs kubo, ukubulalana, the gang wars, nazo zonke lezi zinto ezenzeka lapha eWestern Cape, uFadil Adams kuphela. Ngakho-ke abantu beza umuntu okhuluma ulimi lwabo, beza umuntu okhuluma into ababhekene nayo, babone ukuthi nanga umuntu ongaba umxazululi wale nkinga. Ngase ngithola ama-comment athi cha ukhona u-18, kodwa uma ulalela kahle u-18 la uyakuhlukanisela ukuthi umehluko phakathi kwe-NCC ne-PA uwodwa. I-NCC ifocuse kumakhaladi kuphela. Okunye futhi engifisa ukusho kubantu bakithi, uFadil Adams akagwetshwanga, ayikho inkantolo esike yamthola ukuthi unecala. Asingamjaji, asilinde nje icala libe senkantolo, zethulwe zonke izinto, lukhulunywe udaba lwakhe, bese ekugcineni sizomjaja. Ngibonile nje ama-comment a-negative, no, akufanelanga sibe nje. La South Africa sinomthetho othi you are innocent until you are proven guilty by the court of law. ya asesimnike nje ithuba lokuthi ahambe because singamthathi njengomuntu osegwetshiwe. Ayikho inkantolo esekuyamthola necala. Ngikubukile nje lokhu ngathi akukho kuhle. Akukho kuhle. Fadila Adams ubekwe icala, uvelile enkantolo, ngeviki elizayo uzokhuluma udaba lakhe le-bail. Asihambe nawo kanjalo, kodwa singamthathi njengomuntu osenecala already. Akufanelanga sikwenze lokho. Inkantolo ezohlukanisa ukuthi unalo icala noma akanalo. A multi-agency law enforcement operation in Clovenstein, Potfontein, Israel led to the arrest of 62 suspected illegal minors aged between 18 and 39. The operation involved the EMPD, SAPS, SANDF, Gauteng Traffic Wardens, Home Affairs, and several municipal departments. Authorities demolished 46 illegally erected structures allegedly used to conceal illegal mining activities and storage sites. Officials also disconnected illegal electricity connections in the area. Police confiscated illegal mining equipment, including generators, gas bottles, wheelbarrows, and pendugas, while explosives were discovered in one of the shacks, prompting the activations of the SAPS bomb squad. Liquor worth about 5,000 rand was also seized. All suspects were detained at the Benoni police station and are expected to appear in court soon. Sengake ngakuchaza lokhu ngaphambilini, ngiyakuphinda namanje. La kukhona khona ozamazama khona, ngisho ama-members omphakathi ayabenefitha. Ngiyazi-ke kwezinye iy'ndawo bagcine labo zamazama behlukumeza bona labantu abangama-members omphakathi. Bagcina labo zamazama sebedlwengula abanye, bathathele ngisho abantu izindlu. Siyazi ukuthi kunomphakathi wagcina ushiya indawo ababehlala kuzo bayohlala eholweni lomphakathi ngoba behlushwa ozamazama. Kodwa uma nje ukusebenza kozamazama kuhlelekile, baba nama-security agada bona ukuze angahlukumezi umphakathi. Lama-security aphinde agade izimpi ey'vela ngaphandle ngoba ibuye ibangwe le mgodi, izimpi lezi ey'vela ngaphandle. Amalungu omphakathi ahlomula kanje. Ngikhulunyiswa lento ukubona lo tshwala. Labantu laba mabeya lapha emgodini bathenga izinkwa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngoba basebenza ngama-team, bangena iy'nsuku mabeya emgodini. Omunye ungena bangangena 4 days. Uthothi kuphuma oyedwa noma babili, basale laba babili besebenza. Aphume laba bayothenga izinkwa, bathenga ama-drink, bathenga utshwala, bathenga ugwayi. Into abazozidinga mabe lapha phansi bese bekha amanzi abe maningi ngoba iyona into abazozidinga uma besemgodini. So amabhizinisi noma amashop asuke eseduze kufuneka isitoko ngempela benze sure ukuthi sikhona ngoba izinkwa zizothengwa yiphele. Ama-battery ukuze bakhanyise amathoshi abezukuthenga nga-1, 2, kuzothengwa nga-5, 6 ama-battery. Lawa ama-AA we-remote nala ama-AA la we-remote, not la amancane kakhulu. Kube khona abantu abazothengisa amasaka, kube khona abantu abazothengisa insango, bese kuzoba khona abantu abazothengisa utshwala. Abantu abasemphakathini bagcine bebenefitha kozamazama. Khona lapho khona abantu ofuneka bapheke ngisho ukudla ukuze abantu mabephuma emgodini bakwazi ukuthola ukudla okuqinile njengophuthu noma ipapa noma inyama noma yini. So kugcina abantu bomphakathi bebenefitha. Baphinde barente labantu. Lamaphenduko okukhulunywa ngawo arentelwe emzini yabantu noma esebenza la bayawalanda ekuseni. Kodwa emzini yabantu asuke bekelwe ukuthi abe safe. Athuthwe abekwe, bangafike barente indlu noma umkhukhu, iroom noma umkhukhu la bazofaka khona into zabo bazibeke khona nama-generator. Yingakho nje kunzima ukulwa udaba lozamazama. Kodwa uhulumeni wethu ufuneka enze isu lokuthi ayinqande lento. Sikhulumile ngeviki eliphelile ukuthi uVuyo Zungula eParliament wambuza uGwede Mantashe njengominister weminerals ukuthi siyazi ukuthi ukudeploya kwe-SANDF ku-temporary. Imaphi ama-solutions ney'xazululo eniza nazo njengohulumeni? Akazange abe nampendulo njengenjwayelo. Akazange abe nampendulo. Angiyibambe le video kodwa nje bengikwazisa ngalezi ndaba lezi ezenzakalayo.